What is up, YouTube? So this is going to be a bit of a different video today. I want to talk to you about why I don't recommend certain products. And we're going to get into that right after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear it well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, this is where you actually should be saying that, because this is crap. Okay, I'm going to talk about some crap today. Anyway, yeah, if you are new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who can be angry at her? Even if she just say the same thing every single day also. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so what I want to talk to you about, there is a new product that came out today that I didn't do a review of yet. I was taking a look at the course, and the numbers sound really impressive. The guy says he did $150,000 in sales as an affiliate, which is important, by the way, because a lot of people in the make money online niche, they'll show you their eye-popping numbers that they did $100,000, they did this, that they that. But what they don't show you is that they're actually a vendor, not an affiliate. And if you're a vendor like I am, you're making money off of your vendor sales, and a lot of that money actually goes to your affiliates as well. It's not just to you, but also you have a built-in email list. I have an email list that I send emails to all the time. And so this one was really impressive. It's $150,000 just as an affiliate, which means that anybody theoretically could be doing this. And the guy showed you proof. The numbers are there. But there are two things that bothered me about this. First of all, I took a look at his numbers, and I looked a lot closer than most people are looking. Most people are just looking at seeing the bottom line, $150,000, okay, which is impressive. I will be the first to admit that's very impressive numbers. Then I took a closer look. He's got 2% conversions. What does conversions mean? Conversions means basically that for every 100 people he sends to visit a website, an offer, 2 out of 100 are actually bothering to go ahead and purchase whatever it is that he's telling them to go take a look at. 2 out of 100. Now, that may sound okay to you, if you got all free traffic. So I started taking a look at his traffic resources. The first one he recommends is something that I'm not a big fan of. It's called solo ads. Now, solo ads, basically what that means is that you're renting somebody else's email list who already has an email list. They're going to send out emails on your behalf saying, hey, this is a great product. Go ahead and grab this. You're going to love it, blah, 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 et cetera, et cetera. Okay, kind of what I do, except that they're doing it on behalf of somebody else, and they're basically charging them a fee every time somebody clicks the link in the email. It doesn't mean it's every time somebody buys, just every time somebody clicks. And the typical price is anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per click, sometimes even more than that. So let's do some math here. Let's say on average he's paying 50 cents per click. Okay, so 100 people click, that means he is paying $50 in order to get a sale, 2 sales out of 100 people. So the sale averages about $10 or $15. So he's basically getting $50 worth of traffic and making $30 back in profits. In other words, yes, he's got revenue of $150,000, but with that method, he's kind of losing money also. Now, I'm not saying this can't work. You can build an email list using this particular method. It definitely will bring in an email list. And ultimately, if you have the money to burn through, if you can afford to burn through a ton of money, you can eventually start to build up a buyer's list using this particular method. And to be fair, there's some other traffic methods I'm going to take a look at. It's entirely possible after I take a look at the other traffic methods that this guy has, and I look at it thoroughly and see what he has, it's possible I might do a review and tell you, ignore this method because this method sucks, and this one actually is good. I'm not going to just tell you, oh yeah, this is great, go ahead and grab this, everything is wonderful. That's not what I do. I actually take the time to go through a course and take a look and see, is it good, is it not good? But the first method that he mentions is basically a money-losing method. It's basically, like, look, even if you're paying 30 cents per click, let's say, which is ridiculously cheap, very few solo vendors will charge so little. Most of them charge between 40 to 80 cents per click. And I know the website he's recommending, the ones who charge 30 cents per click usually are pretty awful. But even the ones who will charge, who are charged like 40 to 80 cents per click, tend to not be very good. It's just been my personal experience that's the reality. And his numbers bear it out because you can see on the video that he shows, you can see he's showing his results, $150,000, but it's 2% conversions again. So if his average on 2% conversions is going to be that he's making like $10 a piece because he's not selling high ticket products. He's not selling stuff that goes, for $500 a piece. He's selling stuff that goes for $10 or $20 a piece. So that's basically what he's making back. He's making back less than he's spending with this particular traffic method. And I've seen a lot of other people who are already promoting this particular product. And again, I'm not going to tell you the exact name of the product. I'm just going to tell you that I'm starting to look at it right now, and that's why I haven't put up a review of it yet, because I actually take the time to look at everything and make sure that I know what works and what doesn't work, and what actually is going to bring in real revenue, a real income as opposed to real revenue. And if you have the money to burn, then hey, you can go through the solo ads, but it's really not going to work very well. Now, I don't really like to do the whole bash somebody else and recommend something instead of that. So I'm not really going to do that here. I will leave a link down below to a different review that I did. For today only, I've decided to reinstate this thing. I took away this particular bonus. The product is still available for sale. It's a great product that is basically a set of done for you emails that I really, really liked quite a lot. There's no traffic, there's no method of building a list included really. There's traffic, but there's not really a method of building a list. So what I included in the package was my own method that I came up with that made me $600 and got me over 100 fresh buyer leads, confirmed buyer leads. And it literally took me about 5 minutes. Now, I've taken that down. I've put it back up just for today. I'll leave the link down below. This is not me saying the other product is bad, buy this instead. Okay, I want to make that clear. I'm not doing that. That's not the way I roll. I don't play that kind of game. I am putting up this video only because of the fact that I want you to understand that just because you see a lot of big names promoting something doesn't necessarily mean that it's a great product. It just means that a lot of big names are promoting it because they figure, oh, well, this person will promote for me. And again, it's possible that you'll see me come out with a review tomorrow if I've actually had the time to take a look at everything and say, hey, okay, well, this method sucks, but the other ones are actually pretty good. I'm taking a look at these other methods to see what they actually are, to see whether they're worth anything, or if they're also basically the same sleight of hand, so to speak, where it's like, yeah, spend $50 in order to make $30. Okay, well, that's kind of ridiculous. Anyhow, so that's basically what I had to say about this. The link will be down below in the description, and I will see you all hopefully tomorrow.